I've been trying to get through this intro now for probably about 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna do it. If you hear any background noise, I am terribly sorry. But hey, you guys, what's up? Today we are going to be doing this makeup tutorial that I have on my face using Half Magic Beauty. Half Magic Beauty is Donnie Davy's company. And if you don't know who Donnie Davy is, she is the lead makeup artist on the show Euphoria. So yeah, let's check out these products. Let's try these products out together. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look on my face, then just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have done my foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, bronzer, blush, all of that. And put my hair back with this cute little Half Magic barrette. And we are going to go in with the Half Magic Light Trap Enter the Glow Duo Chrome Glow Powder. This is some stunning packaging. You open it up like this, and there is your product inside. And it is so pretty. I cannot wait to see what this looks like on the skin. Okay, so I've got a little bit on my brush here, and let's just go right in. So that is really pretty, and you can obviously build it up. So pretty. So Donnie Davy says on the back of here that she really likes to take it up a notch with the Light Trap Duo Chrome Glow Powder. She says it's one of her favorite multi-use products that color shifts at every angle. It's universally flattering and buildable too, so you can apply it anywhere. Cheekbones, brow bones, eyes, wherever you want that extra sparkles. So, super pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna try the Chrome Addiction Eye Paint Plus Liner, and this is in the shade Wild Caught. And opening it up, it looks a little something like this. And let me just swatch it on the back of my hand here so you guys can see what we're working with. Super cute. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. If I want to use it as a shadow or maybe a liner. I just might do like some crazy graphic liner look today. All right, so I'm just going to place this right under the brow right here. And I'm just gonna blend this out with my finger. I went ahead and did this side over here, and it's a really easy product to work with, you guys, so. All right, so now I'm gonna use the Half Magic Flick Liquid Liner. I don't think this product is even out yet. This is in Flicking Fierce. And you guys, I have to show you the wand on this eyeliner. It's like I've never seen before. So it looks like this. And then opening it up, look at this applicator, you guys. It's super flat and wide, so that way you can turn it on its side and get a thin line, and then you turn it on the flat side and you get a thick line. How cool is that? I love this. All right, so my camera wasn't filming. Anyway, so I am just taking this liner, I'm putting it on its angle when I want a thinner line, and then laying it flat down when I want that thick line. And here is what we've got so far. It almost feels more like you're working with a marker than you are working with eyeliner. Okay, so now we're gonna use the glitter pill, and this is a glitter eye paint slash liner. And this is in the shade Money Please. And I love the packaging on this, you guys. It is like a pill or a bullet. Super cute. And here is what the liner looks like. It is so glittery and so gorgeous. All right, so I'm just taking this glitter paint eyeliner and I'm gonna place a little bit right here. And this is something that you can build up to make more intense, or kind of just barely put it on for just a little bit of glitter. I'm going to line my eye. I'm going to outline this area. And I'm also going to drag that on down to the lid area and kind of tap that out. But I am gonna go back over some of those areas to make them more intense. All right, so now we're going to be using the Mouth Cloud Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Magic Brownie. And this is a really pretty, kind of like soft brown shade. And then I'm gonna finish this look off with the Half Magic Face Gems. And yeah, these are in the shade or style Iridescent Sparkle. And to add these gems to my face, I'm going to use the Adornment Tweezers. And this is so cute, you guys. Okay, so you pull the tweezers out and there is the little Half Magic logo. So, so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these gems on our face. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I had no clue what I was doing, but yeah, I had fun trying all of these products nonetheless. You guys be sure to go check out Half Magic, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.